guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can translate in Google Sheets. Let's get started. If you want to translate in Google Sheets, you have to prepare your table like this. And I'm going to translate from English to Indonesia and also France. So the first thing we should do, we have to click on this cell. Then we have to type the formula. You have to pay attention to this formula, okay? We have to type Apple, then Google Translate. It's right here, guys. Just tap on Google Translate to make it faster. Then we have to click on A3 cell. And after that, we can click comma and double quotes. And for English, double quotes again and comma. And in for Indonesia. And don't forget to type double quotes. And after that, we can click enter. All right, and wait, guys, it's still loading. Okay, and we can do autofill like this, and we're going to translate from English to France. So we have to repeat this step, Google Translate, then A3 cell, click on A3 cell and comma and for English, then FR for France, and enter. All right, and we can do autofill again. Okay guys, that's how we can translate in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.